Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again on euro currency. So after the minor performance, upward performance yesterday, as you can see, market is turning down. So in general, overall performance here, as we said in the weekly report and yesterday as well, is not really impressive. So it's very choppy, slow, and it shows no signs of some thrusting action, which makes us to have really big doubts on the bullish perspective of the euro currency, even inability of the market to complete the weekly pattern. So actually all these talkings about the bullish context and bullish possible performance stands based on the weekly grabber that suggests taking out of this top. And until this pattern is valid, euro keeps at least theoretical chance to show this performance. Since currently we are living in a very unstable time, a lot of surprise might happen on from any side. So somebody tells something, some news had been released or something of that sort that could change the situation drastically and make a really decisive impact on performance of the markets. This could happen, and in current situation, with this pattern on the back, we decided not to go against it and just be patient with the possible chances for taking the short position. So we need to see either this pattern will work, complete the target, or it fails. And it fails if market taken out of these lows. So one of the solutions that bears might follow, since market currently not at oversold, it might be that using stop sell order near the lows. So for instance, in the moment of the breakout, you step in and going together with the market to the downside. Currently, at this point, we do not see any good scenarios, good opportunities to take, well, bearish position with a relatively low risk, because we do not have any clear bearish context by far. So this what about the bearish position. Speaking on the bullish position, if we're currently considering only the short term, if we will take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, if you remember, last time in the weekend we have mentioned multiple grabbers that have been formed right there. And in general, with this recent upward action here, these grabbers have worked nice, because most of them have suggested taking out of this recent top. But recall what we discussed in the video. We said if you plan to take the long position, it would be better to place the stop below this area. It's just because you have the weekly pattern that is valid. And if occasional market intends to show a bit deeper retracement, to not be washed out occasionally with this downward action, that's the proper area for placing the stop order. So because all our positions that's based on the grabbers and with the stop, with the break-even point already has been closed, just because market already stands below all grabbers that have been formed right there. So currently, if you intend to take the new long position, or at least you consider to do this, it makes sense to wait until this area, because here we see the clear signs of the possible action, clear ABCD pattern, and it makes agreement with the same 104.30, 104.50 area, and that will be much closer to the potential invalidation point. So here's risk will be significantly smaller. Potentially also it might be some kind of the God is cheaper to buy pattern as well. Speaking on the recent performance, this definitely was its type of the retracement action, is because it clearly takes the shape of the ABCD pattern, forming the God is cheaper to sell. And those of you who are watching our gold videos, that's actually the reason why I also said that I have some doubts on the euro currency bullish context. It's just because on the gold market we have clear bearish context that's suggesting deep downward action. And that, of course, they are related to each other, because they are trading against the United States dollar. So this also puts some shadow on perspective of the bullish scenario. But as I said, since euro still has the theoretical chances, so formally the Polish context is not erased as we have the pattern. So we're just trying to go with it, and now today we're watching for this pattern, for this level, where potentially might be interesting area for long position taking with possible upward action. But be aware of this kind of action. So we need gradual slow downward action right to the target. We do not want to see this collapse. If we will see this thrusting down, do not take any long position, of course, because this starts to smell like the breakout and failure of the weekly pattern. In general, we expect that euro currency in longer term go down, and this pattern sooner or later but will be erased. But in the shorter term, some more volatility could happen, and well, at least currently euro currency still has chances to show the bounce.